So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Snapchat account is locked. Now a locked Snapchat account can look like a lot of different things, so usually it's not just one thing, but essentially if you just typed in locked Snapchat, you can go and click on images and you'll be able to see an equivalent of what a locked Snapchat account looks like. So it looks something usually like this, like oops, your account is locked or whatever the case is. Now the reason why this specific account or lock option happens is usually because your Snapchat account, maybe you tried logging in too many times, or maybe you logged in from a different area. Usually it's due to the fact that your password was, just you tried typing in your password too many times, maybe you forgot it. And that is basically the main reason why it happens. At least that's what I think. That's usually how it happens. In this case, you can even see a more common one, that your account has been temporarily locked. Go and fix it, yada, yada, yada. So the way to go ahead and basically unlock your account is by making your way over to this specific website right here, which is accounts.snapchat.com. So this is the website you kind of need to go to, which is accounts.snapchat.com. And what this website will basically do is it'll basically ask you to log into your Snapchat account. Now, if you don't have the ability of logging into your Snapchat account, let's say you forgot your username or password, there is an option on that page to actually reset those specific passwords and those specific usernames. So if that is something that you can't seem to fix or whatever the case is, go ahead and pretty much just forget the password, forget the username, and that will probably end up fixing it right there. So from here, when you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to go and scroll down and you want to go ahead and click on Unlock My Account. So go ahead and come onto this page, scroll down to Unlock My Account, and they did just recently redesign this page, which is kind of confusing. So when you're here, what you want to do is you want to go and click on Unlock. So click on Unlock, that comes up right here, and now it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. I think you might be able to verify it. I guess it's only the phone number that works. So they're going to ask you to type in your phone number. So go ahead and type it in. And then at this point, that's pretty much all you have to do. They'll send you a verification code. Some other information will go through. And that's kind of all you're going to have to do here. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.